Guys, welcome to today's video. So we will be seeing here the solution of the problem, that is how to fix high CPU usage. Okay, so for that we have also the step-by-step solutions. We have to follow some step-by-step solutions while solving the problem. Okay, so first solution is reboot. That is first step, save your work and restart your PC, turn it off and on again. Is a classic troubleshooting advice for a reason. So for that what you can do is you can save your work if you have any, and restart your PC. So you can restart your PC from here. Okay, and that process you have to repeat many times. Okay, and this may resolve the issue, especially if it's been a long time since you last registered. A reboot can clear out temporary files and potentially resolve slowdown in long running processes. Okay, so that was one solution for this, guys. And then second is end or restart processes. So for that what we will do is open the task managers first. So what we have to do is we can type here the task manager here. So I will type here the task, it will show up here, that is blown up here, that is task manager. I will click on open. After that, after opening the task manager, first step that is after you can open the task manager while control shift escape by typing control shift escape at a time. Okay, so we have now the window of the task manager in front of us. Once you are in the task manager, click the processes tab at the top. So you can see here the processes tab already I have on that tab. Okay, so after that click more details at the bottom of this tab to reveal background Windows processes. So you can see here already I have clicked on more details. So you can see here all this. If you don't see this all, then you have to click on more details as like. Okay, so then look for the CPU column near the top of the processes tab. Okay, here you have to see here the CPU column. You can see here the CPU, that is 36% running. Okay, after that that is click it on order by the CPU usage. Okay, so you can see here it's order by the CPU usage, that is 27%, that is VSDC is running here. Then what we have to do is you can accept high CPU utilization when playing some games, running a video editing or streaming applications, performing an antivirus scan, or juggling many browser tabs. If you are dealing with this kind of everyday high CPU usage situation, you should close all background programs and tabs you aren't using, then return to the task manager and see if the situation has changed. Okay, so it's important to remember that the high usage while multitasking can be normal, but modern CPUs handle multitasking situations by splitting processes between multiple processors cores which work through different sets of instructions simultaneously. Intel hyper-threading technology takes it as a step further, creating multiple threads. Okay, so this was one solution for that, guys. So you can check here the CPU usage task, and you can close the background running app, that is okay from here. So I will simply close this tab. So next solution is update the drivers. So for that what we will open is, again we have to open our device manager. We have to open our device manager from here, and after that what we have to do is we have to update driver. For that, if a process is still using too much CPU, try updating your drivers. Drivers are programs that control particular devices connected to your motherboard. Okay, so updating your drivers may eliminate compatibility issues or bugs that cause increased CPU usage. So what I will do is I will update drivers of some, that is computer. I will right click on that. Okay, I will right click on that and update driver. So I will click on here. You can see here that the base drivers for your device are already installed. Close. After that I will already install, but I will show you. You have to also install the disk drivers here. Right click on that, update driver, click on search automatically, it will update your driver. After that also we will update our display adapters, that is Intel. I will right click on that, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and the base drivers for your device already installed. So I have all these drivers already installed, but you can install all the drivers or update all the drivers from here. Okay, so this may solve your problem. So next solution is scan for malware. So for that, what you can choose is, if you have any external software for scanning, then you can scan. Otherwise you can use antivirus and threat protection of your system, that is I have my system, then I will click on quick scan. So here opening by virus threat and protection, then you can see here quick scan is running in estimated time remaining. So it will scan all the files in your PC. So it will take a time upon your PC's configuration and your RAM and ROM, etc. So you have to wait for that. Okay, so I will not wait here because I will show you the another solutions. I don't want to. So second is power options. So some power setting can throttle the speed of your CPU whether you are on laptop or desktop. Okay, so what we will open is, I will type here the power option. So edit power plan, you can see here we are on the power options, here. Okay, so from that, what you have to do is clicking the start menu and typing edit power plan, then choose what the power plan do, system settings and power options. Okay, change the plan settings, edit plan settings. Okay, then what I will do is I will close, and again I will type here power, and we have to open here edit power plan from here. Then you can see here, after that, power options in the address bar at the top of the Windows. You should see the screen on the power options here again, and show additional plans. So what we have to do is that is click on tell me about the more power plans, click on yes, no, or I will click on change plan. Okay, so you can see here, you can select here the power plan settings, that is restore, click on the restore plan defaults, yes, and click on OK. So this was our next solution, guys. So our sixth solution is find specific guidance online. If you are facing any problem, you can find, if you have any specific problem regarding the CPU, then you can find it online. And next is reinstalling Windows. So for that, what we will do is, we have to open our advanced startup options, that is I will open I will open settings first. You have to open settings first. I will click on settings, update and security, go to Windows Update, and you can see here, after you can see here the recovery tab. Okay, so reset this with your advanced startup, so you can reset and reinstall the PC from here. Okay, so this was our solutions, guys. Thank you for this video. Hope you guys will find the solution.